When the rain falls, it reminds me of the tears we left behind. Those days I still remember, 'cause still you're on my mind. Where would we be without our memories? No pictures from the past. I sit and I still see you, but we couldn't make it last. And I've forgotten any bad times, but I do know what we had. While I'm alone with only thoughts of you, it makes me feel so sad. When the rain fell and the sun shined away, holding you became forgotten, and I lost the words to say. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. They say that lightning never strikes twice, but I hope that they are wrong, 'cause I'm lost without you in my life. Just 1 minute is too long. Oh yeah. 1 minute is too long. Maybe it wasn't all me, perhaps we didn't share. But I don't care about the bad times, were they ever even there? But still the rain falls, and still I'm lonely. Yes, still the rain falls, and you're not here. You're not here. Yes, I've forgotten any bad times, but I do know what we had. While I'm alone with only thoughts of you, it makes me feel so sad. When the rain fell and the sun shined away, holding you became forgotten, and I lost the words to say. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry.